This is Saad from RentViewer, and in this video I'm going to demo some investment analysis capabilities of the Asset Management Studio. You'll see how this makes investment analysis simple, robust, and auditable. I'll cover this investment analysis visualization, and then the debt service coverage module, and then this module that shows the underlying data for the return on investment calculations. Now, most real estate owners don't have an investment problem, they have a visibility problem. By the time issues show up in month-end reports or Excel models, the damage is already done. Asset Management Studio is built to answer the investment questions that owners and asset managers actually care about quickly. We start at the portfolio level. This view shows how capital is deployed, how leverage is structured, and how returns are being generated without building a single spreadsheet. You can immediately see equity, loan principal, and how each property group contributes to total performance. This waterfall explains where returns actually come from. Gross income turns into NOI, NOI gets reduced by debt service and CapEx, and what's left is what investors really care about. Instead of debating numbers, using the Asset Management Studio, teams can discuss the drivers that are impacting returns. Here we compare unlevered returns, levered return, and cash on cash. Side by side, this shows you where leverage is helping and where it could be hurting the investment thesis. And you can instantly spot which groups are carrying the portfolio and which ones need intervention. Moving to the debt service coverage module, this is where Asset Management Studio becomes an early warning system. Debt service coverage ratio tells you whether cash flow is protecting your capital or putting it at risk. Instead of tracking loan covenants manually in many different files, this view uncovers risks quickly. Every number you're seeing here is backed by detailed underlying metrics. Nothing is hidden, and note that nothing needs to be rebuilt in Excel. You simply map your chart of accounts to the heading you use for cash flow and investment return calculations, and after that the updates are automated, all within Asset Management Studio. No need to manage different spreadsheets for different properties. This gives teams confidence that what they're seeing visually is fully auditable when they need to go deeper. Asset Management Studio replaces spreadsheets, static reports, and one-off investment decks. It gives your board confidence and your asset managers clarity on the numbers behind the investment story. This is investment analysis made simple, robust, and auditable.